Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the reference memory at 0x00000000. The memory could not be read on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, the memory could not be read, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here advanced. You can see here advanced, view advanced system setting, click on this. After that, click on the settings. Then here you will find advanced, click on that. Then click on change. You have to just uncheck this option. Select the custom size. Here you have to select your Windows drive, which will be usually C drive. Select the drive, then click on custom size. Here first you have to check how much RAM is it available on your laptop or desktop. For that you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. After that you can see your system, click on this system, scroll down. Here you will find about, just click on this about. Here you will find installed RAM. You can see in my laptop it is 4 GB RAM. So just minimize the screen, and this initial size and maximum size, these details I will provide in my video description link. You can check it from there. So in my case I am using 4 GB, so I will select this initial size. Here you can see initial size, copy and paste it here. Then select the second one, maximum size. I am selecting this because my laptop has 4 GB, so I am selecting this 4 GB. Just paste it here. After that just click on set, then click on OK, then click on OK, and click on OK, then close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix reference memory at the memory could not be read. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.